Almost 176 Filipinos who fell victim to scam hubs in Myanmar are expected to be repatriated in the coming days. According to the first batch of the victims who arrived in the Philippines, they were recruited through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram due to the recruiters' too good to be true offer to work abroad. Meanwhile, according to the Department of Foreign Affairs, the operators used the victims to deceive people by using various types of scams like love and cryptocurrency scams.
Usually, social media po yan. May matatanggap kayo sa FB, sa Messenger. Pagkatapos, pagka pinatulan mo yan, so may makakausap ka, hindi naman sasabihin sa iyo yung tunay na pangalan, tapos mag-meet kayo sa isang lugar, yun na, iaayos na nila yung mga dokumento mo para ikaw ay bumiyahe. Doon sa backdoor, hindi ka naman dadaan sa regular eh. Hindi ka dadaan dito sa Bureau of Immigration. Dadaan ka doon sa Zamboanga or sa Palawan, tapos sasakay ka ng barko, maglalakad ka na ilang araw. Napakatagal ng biyahe, no? Yun pa lang, alam mo na eh.